Find two functions whose graph together form this circle. We're going to solve for y as a function of x. That's really what we need to do for this. So to solve for y, we subtract the x minus 5 squared from both sides. So we have y minus 6, the quantity squared, is equal to 7 minus x minus 5, the quantity squared. Now to solve for y, we'll take the square root of both sides. So we have y minus 6 equals plus or minus the square root of 7 minus x minus 5 squared. Remember the square root property, that whenever you have a squared equals b, you can rewrite that as a equals plus or minus the square root of b. So that's all we did there. Now all we have to do is add 6 to both sides. So just add 6 to both sides, and we get y equals 6 plus or minus the square root of 7 minus x minus 5 squared, like that. Now the plus gives you one of the answers, one of the solutions, one of the functions, and the minus gives you the other function. So let's call the top part of the circle f sub t. So f sub t of x will be 6 plus the square root of 7 minus x minus 5, the quantity squared. And the bottom function, the bottom half of the circle, will be defined by this function, 6 minus the square root of 7 minus x minus 5, the quantity squared. So there we have it, the two functions. One of them gives the top half of the circle, and the other's graph is the bottom half of the circle.